how to type a subscript for a character in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to format our text to have the subscript before our normal text. So what we can do is first click on the subscript icon right here, or use the shortcut key, which is Control-Shift_, and type in your subscript. So for example, you want to type in this format area, and you'll notice that we still have our subscript form enabled. So to exit your subscript form, simply click on it again. And for example, we want to find the area of ABC, and that's what that will look like right here. And that is how you can write subscript before the character in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.